Y'all love it here. Don't try to deny it. Done with these braces. I'm finished. Brace face out. She gone. She got her teeth back. I'll holler at y'all when I get Invisalign.
Cool. Thank you, Lord, for that new 24. Oh, I hit a switch and put some points up on the board. Oh, and if I miss, have mercy on my soul. Hold on, tell me what's the move? I follow God, I don't follow y'all rules.
I just flashed like in my eye. What it is, what it do. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah. So today's the day. So I'll be back, and we gonna see what's popping, what's shaking, what's moving. When we get there, I don't know if this is gonna be like a day in the life or nothing like that. Those don't never really work out for me. But yeah, this is another braces update. We gonna see if we still gonna be having these braces in my mouth by the end of the day, because focus, because it's still looking janky to me, and that side's looking janky to me too. So I feel like I should ask some questions. What y'all think? Comment down below. I'm just kidding. But yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to come to y'all say. Y'all know I gotta do that opening clip so I can continue my journey of being a YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm about to do my eyebrows. And feel cute. So I will holler at y'all. No, I don't think that's I will holler at y'all. I know y'all tired of seeing the same backgrounds every video. Like, I start here, I start there. You know, it's alright. It's cool. It's alright. I know. Y'all love it. Y'all love it here. Y'all love it here. Don't try to deny it. Anyway, but I will talk to y'all later. Probably when I get in the car. I'm gonna get my mount together so that I can do a ride with me. You know what I'm saying? Okay? We're gonna try to do that. I'm gonna try to get together today, so it won't be shaking. So it'll be, you know, because I need y'all to ride with me. That's not a song. I don't even know what I'm doing. Bye. Won't change the conclusion. Jesus came along. The point is out to you. Ooh, take up your belly. He said, take up your baby. Save us. When I fall asleep, Father, wake us. Gotta be more than dreams.
You can call the police. I know I'll be set free if they cuff me about it. It was me. On the way to the jail, it rerouted. Came home to my family. They see me, then shot what they see.
Can you let me, like, be great? Okay, I'm back, y'all.
But I want to go
As y'all can
home.
see, she got them all.
I want to go home.
We gonna go home. Let me do this real quick, please. Please and thank you. So I got me some Chipotle. Got a burrito. And so yeah, I got them all. I asked him my questions, and he pretty much, I'm gonna say convinced me that it wasn't that big of a deal, and that like, I don't know, I'm steady looking back at old pictures, and you know what I mean. So I mean, it's gonna do what it's gonna do. So that's what it's gonna be. Day off. So if later on down the line I feel like I need some other correcting or anything, I'll probably get some aligners or something. They wrapped this burrito so trash. This is not even gonna be cute. And then it was busting out the thing. So they're like, do you want me to double wrap it? No, I don't want all that bread. No, thank you. So it's busted. And they didn't even wrap it good. Like, they didn't even give me another, like, I gotta put a bib on. At this point, like, hold on. I'm for real. It's about to be. So yeah, the middle's corrected or whatever was needed to be corrected, the little flaw. But now I feel like there's other flaws. But I'm done with these braces. I'm finished. Like I can't do no more. I go back to get my retainer later on today. I may talk to y'all later. But I'm on my way there to do that. I'm gonna sit here and chit chat with y'all because I'm kind of indifferent about these braces. Hold on. I feel like I need another piece of foil. And it's like, oh, and I'm trying the new chicken. I don't usually get chicken. But they got this new chicken called a foil asado. So your girl trying it. I forgot to see. And the inside, it's not like that looks appetizing. I don't know about people show certain food. But yeah, I'm a little indifferent, but I'm over it. But I think like this side right here, my gum is kind of, I don't know if it's swollen, I don't know if it's what. But we're gonna see. Ooh, excuse me. I'm gonna go get a cleaning at the dentist. See if that does anything. And then over here, it was like, oh yeah, it's like really a real slight rotation, but you're not gonna be able to notice it. I do notice it. That's why I said something about it, but
I want to go to
Walmart. For what?
To get Joe. To get Joe's food. Joe's spaghetti.
You might get no spaghetti at Walmart. Anyway, so right now that hurts over there from when they took them off, and so I low-key think my gum is swollen. So we gonna see if something happens once that goes down or whatever. But I don't know. We'll see. I got a spoon. So we gonna see. We just gonna see how I feel like. I'm down. Not saying I'm not about to get braces back on in like no month or nothing. That's definitely not gonna happen again. I'm definitely done with the metal braces. Like I said, if I do decide down the line that I want to correct anything on my teeth, I'm gonna do aligners because the flaws are so small that I don't need to do no whole braces journey. Like, it wouldn't even be. I'm mostly breaking a fast, an unintentional fast. I just didn't eat before I went to the dentist, and so.
I hope you weren't watching me.
But anyway, now people be watching what people doing in their car. I need to tint my front windows. That's what I need to do. You feel me? But this is gonna be a disaster. Hold on. This is why I used to get bowls, because they be so messy. Burritos be so messy. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up, yeah. I'm gonna wrap it up. But I mean, my teeth look good. They look fine. It's just I'm a low-key perfectionist, I guess, or just it hurt.
I want you yourself home.
He not gonna let me be great, y'all. So it's gonna be a short video. And I'm not even gonna be able to finish my food on camera. Cause he's a hater. But no other pocket places. Y'all probably all the way over here to go to Japan. But I mean, I'm done. I'm done with them. I was thinking, that is hurt. Right here. She must have hit the drill on that mug. Cause they scraped the glue out with this drill thing that, ooh, baby. I hate that part. But she must have hit my gun, son, cause that thing kinda eating, stinging. I don't know, got this stupid permanent retainer back in back of my teeth, and it's hard to floss behind that thing. It's so hard. I must be hitting it with the water flosser. Like, shh. That's what I'll be doing. I put it on the screen what if I'll tear it out where I put in this burrito. I put it on the screen. Oh, that hurt. Ugh. It looks very much a mess right now. Last bite, and I'm gonna turn this camera off because this boy is dusty.
I want to sit at home.
Okay, can you let me close out my video? So, I'll probably sit down and have a chit chat with y'all another time. I'll talk to y'all later when he ain't here or something. But I'm gonna finish my food. Brace face out. She gone. She got her teeth back. I got them off again. Throw that in the thumbnail. I'll holler at y'all when I get Invisalign. I'm just playing. I know it look ridiculous with this napkin, but I didn't want none of this stuff to fall on me. Alright. Okay. Lady out.
They really good, but they still not me. There's only one, but I can sit around and wait for you to see. I gotta leave. Wait a minute, let me gather on my things. Wait a minute, I'm separating all my wants from all my needs. Ooh.